Are there alternative punishments to jail for DUI in New Jersey? Attorney Marianne Auriemma says, no, not really. The statute on DWI basically states that for the third time the person shall and must spend 180 days in jail. The first and second says that the judge may upon his discretion impose up to X number of days in jail. The third time says the judge must impose 180 days in jail, or 6 months, the only option being 90 days in inpatient rehab, and the other 90 days must be in jail. Other lawyers have told me to try to get the judge to agree to allow the lady to do her time somewhere else. So I am trying to refine my argument to try to prove to the judge that they could give her weekends because they do it for certain charges for municipal court, and it would frankly cost the state a lot less money to have someone go and spend the weekend in jail than to put them in there for 3 to 6 months at a shot. This way, the state would get its pound of flesh, and the person would get to keep their job, which would enable them to pay the fines. A third-time DWI would be a $1,000 fine, and additional mandatory charges would also add up, which the state would impose to fund their drunk driving education fund and the video cameras in police cars. By the time the person had paid all those little fines, they would probably have added up to $1,500, and then the person would have to pay $1,500 a year for 3 years for the DWI surcharge for the administrative arm of the motor vehicles. Someone who could not work would have a difficult time paying those fines, and if they did not pay those fines, they would not get their driving privileges back, even if they completed their suspension. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Marianne Auriemma in Maywood, New Jersey at 201-712-9663 or visit her on the web at www.auriemmaandassociates.com.